The Intelligent Visual Recognition Edge Computing Software technology achieves the integration and optimization of 7 functions of AI ADAS detection and recognition: traffic lights, lane lines, driving areas, 4-wheeled vehicles, 2-wheeled vehicles, pedestrians, signal status, and semantics on the embedded platform. The real-time computation speed reaches 30 FPS and the performance improved by 2.63 times. Based on 4 commercial chips, Qualcomm, Renesas, iCatch, Jetson, the cost-effective distributed sensing platform can be constructed with the cost reduced to 13% of the original price. The integration with innovative deep learning architecture can further improve the performance by 1.65 times. This technique has been introduced in commercial applications such as real-time lane shift (LDWS) and front collision avoidance warning systems (FCWS).